Hello, hello, hello. My name is ZHENIA. I am an artist, and today I want to vlog. I am on my summer break, which means I have a day job legally obligated to give me some time off. I'm taking my time off. But since I'm a broke 25-year-old, I don't have the money to go on vacation. I don't have money to travel. All I can do is try to relax and enjoy my time off. But I'm not successful at that. All I do is look at my phone all day because I'm trying to distract myself from thinking. I try not to do much, but then I'm doing nothing, and then I am mad at myself for not being productive. Again, let's concentrate on the goal. The goal is to go outside, to spend as much time as I can outside and draw. Just breathe air, get some vitamin D from the sun, distract myself. Going outside and drawing will make me feel productive, but at the same time, being in the nature will make me, my brain, I will trick my brain into thinking that I'm relaxing and enjoying summer. Funniest thing is, I'm so tired. I'm just so freaking tired all the time. I don't want to do anything, I don't want to go anywhere, but I gotta make myself go outside. So that's what we're doing. So let's go. As you can see, I already came home. And I want to show you what I drew. Look at that. I just want to do something ugly and quick. And I did just that. And right after I finished this drawing, I went to buy some ice cream. And as soon as I bought my ice cream, it started raining really, really hard. And I went home. And it's still raining. And I'm still at home. And so, yeah, the whole thing, the whole walk in the park did feel great, not gonna lie. The book was really funny, the one that I read, and it really it really contributed a lot to my mood. It was a good decision for me to go outside. I read, I drew. I did sit on my phone a little bit and looked at the screen, which I really didn't want to do, but I did anyway. Not good, but it is what it is. I did edit this video, so it was kind of, productive and shit. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of my break, summer break. I want to paint. I want to paint a lot. I'm not gonna film that. I just want to sit down, listen to some music, and paint. I want to crochet. And I just, maybe it would be okay for my brain if I just fill my time with arts and crafts. I guess that's the end of the video, because that's the end of the activity I planned for this video. What am I supposed to say? All the links, all the wonderful, beautiful links that you need in your life are in my bio. There is a very beautiful like button underneath this video. And also even more beautiful subscribe button. um, yeah, I hope you're all having a very good day, better than mine, and stay safe, stay creative. I will see you all soon, maybe. Yeah, that's it. I also sell prints. Bye bye.